Hey folks, Tim Thomas here, live from the kitchen. Live from the kitchen, folks, and great things are happening. It is absolutely astounding as to what you can do from the comfort of your home. Can you mail a flyer? Can you put it in an envelope? Can you mail a postcard? If you can do it over and over and over again, you can win. Folks, I'm live from the kitchen today. This is incredible. And I better get out of the kitchen. I don't want to get in trouble for being in my kitchen. But anyway, I think she'll leave me alone today. But hey guys, I'm going to show you some proof of what just come in in the last couple of days. And it is astounding on how you can position yourself with a few flyers. I'm live from the kitchen. You can position yourself with just a few flyers, folks, to be able to pick up $500 to over $1,000 some days. Look at the direct mail, folks. Oh, shameless plug for our friends over there at Spectrum, providing us mobile TV service, internet service. A little pricey, but anyway, they do a decent job. I'm gonna show you what came in, guys. Look at this, folks. This stuff is ready to go to post, and this is just about 50. No, this is not 50. This is about 40% of what we've already got prepared to go out. Folks, I mail so much they give me that from the post office, a mailing tub. So when I drop it off at the local post office, folks, this is direct mail done right. This is direct mail done right. Look at that. Look what I'm putting on my envelopes. Look at that. That is incredible. Putting that on my envelopes, guys. And also, look at that. And where did I get those from? Staples, my local Staples store. And folks, that's a shame. That's a little secret that the direct mail experts use. Folks, look at what has come in. This is incredible. I'll show you the programs that we're working with, guys. Here we go. Let's go here. Two separate transactions right here. Two separate that came through PayPal. Two separate transactions. I circled the transaction numbers for those of y'all that say they might be the same. There's a money order for a crazy cash program. There is another money order right there, guys, for the $1,000 solution program. There is another crazy cash. Oh, and guys, the PayPal payments, that's the crazy cash program. Three crazy cashes come in. Four of them, actually. 1, 2, 3, and 4 that have come in for the crazy cash. This is incredible. So I could not be more excited about what we've got going on, folks. If you can mail a flyer or a postcard, you can win, and you can win big. Folks, this is the right thing to do. Can you keep, again, mail it and be consistent in what you are doing? I could not be more excited. And guys, look at that. Look at that, what came in. Another I Keep It All $1,000 postal money order. Folks, if you're watching this video, get a hold of me right now, and request the flyer, request these flyers. And guys, those of y'all that want to join, look at here. Let me show you how to do it. This is the programs we're promoting. This program right here is absolute fire. It is converting like gangbusters. The crazy cash, the fast mail order program. That's my picture up there, guys. But when you get your flyer, it'll have the picture of the owner up there. Rod will be up there. And you can even put your picture there. It's up to you guys. The $1,000 per week solution flyer. This thing is on fire, guys. Folks, what are the products in the? You're gonna get leads. You're going to get stamps with some of these programs. You're going to get a report. You're going to get instructions. You're going to get a marketing kit. Look at the value in these programs. Guys, if you can do that, and all I did was went to look, one of my favorite stores, 500 envelopes. And folks, let me tell you, these right here, you can peel and stick label. Notice that, peel and stick label. You can just peel it off and then you stick it back onto the envelope. Folks, a child can do it. You can even outsource it. Folks, that postcard's rocking. I'm gonna talk about it in another video. Shameless plug for that big ticket. That postcard guys go up to $20,000. This is how, again, we can pull in anywhere from $500 to $1,000
pretty much every day of the week, if not multiple days, multiple times a week. Because sometimes people come in on a weekend and pay you through Cash App or PayPal. Oh, I forgot, I didn't even pull up the Cash App report. Incredible. And folks, how do we do it? We do it over and over and over and over again. And folks, I've got 3 or 4 times this much in a box in the laundry room. Can you mail a flyer? If you can, folks, you can look at money orders like this on a consistent basis, on and money like this, let it flow. That's how we're able, guys. Some weeks we're pulling anywhere $3,000 to $5,000 a week sometimes. It's possible. Now, income disclaimer. Let me throw that out there. Income disclaimer, folks. Nothing in this life's going to happen for you until you take action. And you do a lot of it. I mean massive, all without act as if your life depends on it, folks. Smash out the like button. Hit that like button. Hit the like button. It could give you 50, 75 more years of good luck. Folks, get the staples right now. Get you 500 envelopes. Request this flyer from me. Request that flyer. If you want to get both of them, I can email me for the bonus. I'll tell you about a bonus. If you want to get all 3 of them, let me know. Get in these programs, guys. I recommend them. And I gave you the disclaimer. And nothing happens until you follow direction. And don't go mail 50 flyers and tell me, well, Timothy, my dreams didn't come true. Don't tell me that. But you do it over and over and over and over and over again, folks, until something happens good. As my friends hope and imagine. All right, folks, this is live from the kitchen. If you enjoyed the video, guys, give it a thumbs up. Bye for now. Until the next video.